If it feels like you are spending a lot of time on YouTube Shorts feed, all right, this video puts you through on how to reduce that through the mobile app.
First, tap on your YouTube mobile app. As the mobile app opens, tap on your profile icon. Here, mine is at the bottom right, okay? Your own may be at the top depending on the type of device you're using. So let me tap on it. Tap on the settings icon, which is at the top right. On tapping on the settings icon, you will see these options. Tap on time management. If you are not seeing this time management from your end, get to App Store or Play Store depending on the type of device you're using and update your YouTube application. Alright, so let me tap on time management. So once you're here, scroll up. Once you get to this daily limit, you will see short feed limit. Set how much time you can scroll on shorts each day. Toggle on this button by tapping on it. Alright, you can see short feed limit. How much time do you want to spend on shorts every day? The minimum time here is 15. It depends on how many times you want to spend. So let me select 15 in this case. And immediately you select that time, everything is saved. So YouTube will help you in calculating the amount of time you spend on short feed. Once it gets to that 15 minutes, it will stop showing you some short content.
If this content helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.